This is Tuffy's truck bed box. We just put in our quick pickup here at the Cortez Police Department. The drawers themselves are capable of 400 pounds apiece on each drawer. You can reach 70% of the drawer when it's slid out. And probably one of the most attractive things for us is the top of the bed itself will hold up to 2,000 pounds. So we've still got a complete truck bed we can use for whatever we need to haul. And it's waterproof, and it's really handy for the guys that are on tactical teams and that type of thing because of the amount of storage that it has. So we've really been pleased with it.